So we start off with this gorgeous shag haircut. Absolutely beautiful. Now this is a shoulder length shag, followed by this stunning lob haircut. Beautiful blonde color. Absolutely gorgeous. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Here we see a haircut transformation. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob haircut. Oh my gosh, she looks amazing. And then we see someone go from a lob to this stunning pixie. Next up, we have another hair transformation. Wow, that is a lot of hair. Looks like she cut the hair into a bob, or the stylist rather cut the hair into a bob. Beautiful bottleneck style bangs to complete the shape of the bob. Wow, what a dramatic transformation. So it looks like we have another lob haircut here. Absolutely gorgeous. The stylist added some waves for some texture. Beautiful. Her hair looks so bouncy and full. And I really like the color that has as well. So it looks like another mid-length haircut here. And it looks like this hairstyle is going to feature some layers. Oh, absolutely stunning. This is such an effortless, chic haircut. And it's the perfect length for more like a low maintenance vibe. Very pretty. So it looks like we have another bob haircut here. Another chic and effortless bob style. Her hair has so much body, I love it. And then we have someone else getting a mid-length cut. Absolutely gorgeous. Another simple, chic. I'd say that's more of a lob versus mid-length, but absolutely gorgeous haircuts. Oh, and then we have another lob. That seems to be a very popular hairstyle in today's video. Oh, this one features some curtain bangs. Very nice. absolutely gorgeous. I think that was my favorite lob so far. So here we have more of a bob haircut. This one features a gorgeous angle, longer bangs in the front. Nice middle part down the center. Beautiful. So then we move on to someone, wow. So the stylist did more like a layered lob haircut here. Beautiful curtain bangs. I love the color as well. This is absolutely gorgeous. I think my favorite part about this cut is definitely the color. It's like a really pretty copper tone towards the ends and then chocolate at the top. Oh, I love it. Such a beautiful color. Wow, she has some really long hair. So the stylist ended up doing another bob haircut. This one comes to around the jawline. And this one also features a nice blunt cut. And we have a beautiful blonde bob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. I love her sweater. And this is a bit of an asymmetrical bob. It's really giving a nice amount of volume, texture. Beautiful. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some hairstyle ideas within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and you can check out this video for even more hot hair ideas.